The showers and thunderstorms were not as impressive as we expected yesterday, but we did get rain for the second consecutive day here in Albany. You can see it was kind of focused north. The severe winds were mainly to our northwest and northeast, although there were some pretty gusty winds in advance of those thunderstorms yesterday in the afternoon. Let's take you out the door this morning. We are tracking a few sprinkles this morning, and not showing up much on our forecast, but there could be just a few sprinkles. Nice start at 70, still a little bit above average though. 80 at 10 a.m. We'll take a run at 90. There will be a scattering of showers and storms. You can see future clouds and radar showing those showers this morning turning into sprinkles and then totally dissipating mid-morning into the midday hours. And then the showers and storms will redevelop with a focus more south this time than north, kind of the flip-flop of yesterday. So those southern communities that missed out on the rain yesterday will have a better potential of getting some scattered showers and storms. But you can see the overall coverage is down compared to yesterday, but not out. And we do have a marginal risk for an isolated severe thunderstorm, strong wind, low chance, and also hail, low chance as well. Your evening planner calls for partly cloudy skies. Temperatures go from the mid-80s to the mid-70s. And then overnight, partly cloudy, 72, about a 20% chance of a shower. Tomorrow's rain chances will be up, and the risk for flash flooding will be up as well at 15% chance. So we'll be watching for that as some heavy downpours will be possible. Future clouds and radar shows this more moist flow coming out of the Gulf, showing the showers and storms this afternoon and evening, and again tomorrow. Now the models are really poo-pooing the activity for tomorrow. This is the latest run. This just popped up. I think there will be a lot more activity tomorrow than what is showing. And then the cold front finally does arrive as we go into Friday evening. So with that, we're going to get into some stronger storms once again in the afternoon and evening. You can see right along the front coming in here. It looks like afternoon and evening, so there will be the potential for some stronger thunderstorms. And then guess what? A drop in the humidity. Once again, this is kind of a repeat of last weekend. We'll see temperatures on the coolest locations in the upper 50s. That's going to be nice. So get ready for a little taste of spring, kind of reversing compared to this warm, humid air mass that's over top of us now. 60% chance showers and storms. I mean, you're more likely to see rain tomorrow, 72 to 85. Then equal chances on Friday, 70 to 86. There's a drop in temperatures, 62, less humid, high of only 86. That is below average. And then Sunday, we warm back to average, but the humidity levels will still be low, and it will be dry all weekend long. That's the way we like it, right? Rain chances during the work week and sunshine during the weekend, at least for those who have the weekend off. All right, we'll talk more about that and the rest of your forecast on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope to see you then.